What's up, internet world? And we are rolling. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. If you're new, you might as well subscribe. Anyways, y'all, I'm here today in my bathroom. It is a Friday evening, Friday, February 26th, 5:04 p.m. And I was just listening to some Melanie Martinez while I did my makeup. But I like her music, and I actually watched a couple of her interviews, and I thought they were very interesting, and I really like them. Right now, oh my god, I can see myself in the mirror. I can see what I look like. Okay, I'll show you right now. This is what I'm talking about here. Anyways, I will be doing hairstyles today. Trendy, alternative hairstyles. So yeah, I did my alternative makeup just to kind of set the vibes for this video, kind of set the mood, and I'll be telling you guys how to do these hairstyles and how to really make your hairstyles more stylish. Let's get started. So the first thing I'm doing is I'm going to be taking my two hairs and split them in half. I am now splitting my hairline, and I'm just going to keep some pieces out in the front. I always do this when I do any up hairstyles because I like to have little pieces to frame my face. And yeah, my bangs right now, they aren't even curled or any set in place. I actually put them to the side because I think I'm going to start growing out my bangs and go back to this look. Because I've had my bangs for a while, and let me tell you, sometimes bangs be a lot of work. They're a lot of work. It's hard to keep them up to touch and up to date. Anyways, so yeah, you want to separate your hair, basically just the half of your head. Like, it doesn't have to be perfect. That's the theme of like alternative, like literally anything, alternative makeup, hairstyles, like even clothes, like it can be messy. That's a pro. I am then just going to take this and bring this all the way up. Okay, so now I am going to start wrapping the hair up into the bun. Now there's very many different strategies you guys can go for. I will be also doing another bun hairstyle, so I'll show you guys like multiple different strategies you can use. And also this hairstyle, like right here, this is like one hairstyle already. Like, just like poop it up a little. Also, ponytails, pigtails are fun because they go like this. I'm just really grabbing this and just kind of wrapping it around and placing my hand on top and wrapping that underneath. And just wrapping it into a little bun. And then I'm taking another hair tie and I'm just going to put that on here twice. And usually, this actually looks pretty good, but usually if like the bun doesn't look good, I will take off the hair tie and redo it, or I'll grab a little rubber band and try that instead. It just really depends how the bun turned out and how it looks like. Then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Okay, I'm just going to make them a little messy. I like my hair to be messy, especially my buns. Oh my god, it's cute. So this is the other hairstyle. So one thing that you can use for accessories is bandanas or little headbands. I have tons of these laying around, and you can always just tie it back a little, especially if you like plan out a fit and it like match the colors and stuff. It looks so cute. I really like doing a headband with these two little space buns too because it's like they kind of like peep out. Another thing you guys can do is hair clips. So I have this hair clip I got this from a Depop seller. Yeah, like accessories, hair accessories really just add an extra something. I think I might do like a night vlog, like show it to you guys at night because I feel like that would be cool. Okay, the next hairstyle I'm going to be doing is pigtail braids. So just as before, you want to separate your hair and put them into pigtails. You can put them at whatever length you want. I'm actually going to drag this down because I want them to be a little bit lower on my head and looser. So you want to separate your hair into 3 strands. So I'm just going to try to make them even. So now you want to braid. And if you guys don't know how to braid, it's just you take 1 strand, put it over the other one, and then you take the other one and then you put it over that one and pull, and then continue doing that. Just putting these strands over each other. And that is how you do a braid. If that was like a terrible explanation, I'm so sorry. You can search up how to do it, or maybe I'll make like a full-on tutorial. Just let me know. Okay, so now I'm taking a little plastic rubber band and I'm just putting that at the bottom of the braid. Ta-da! And now you want to do the same thing for the other side. So this is what the pigtail braids look like. I really like them, and also like I feel like this is a cute hairstyle to have up for when like you're busy and you're doing stuff during the day. You don't want your hair to get all in your face, like. And also I added a little clip that says that I be dead inside. Stuck in this quarantine got me like. Yeah, this is this hairstyle. Time for the next hairstyle. So I just took my hair out of that hairstyle. I'm going to be doing a half up, half down style. So the first thing I usually do, if I want to go for more of my hair up in the back, I usually start from right here. And then I grab it and then I go up. And so this is what I'm doing. Like I grab some hair and I take my other hand and I just kind of push down what I don't need. And then once like you start doing your hair more and more, you can feel where your hairline's at. But as you can see, your hairline goes right here. So I just follow the hairline and kind of pick apart the pieces that I want to take up in the half up, half down pony. It's like really thin and you can just take it and just go like it doesn't have to be too perfect. It's like, again, it's okay if it's messy. And I'm just putting that part of my hair up in a bun real quick so that way I can section off with the bottom half of my hair. And I'm able to work with the top half of my hair without any problems at all. So now I'm doing the bun. My arms get tired. So now I'm just gonna try to bring my hair as much up front as I can, tilting my head down, as you guys can see. And I'm just gonna bring this as high up as I can because I want this ponytail to be super high. You guys can place it wherever you want. And I'm using a scrunchie as a hair tie because it'll just make it pop a little more. And now you can go ahead and undo the back of your hair, like that. And also, I was watching a YouTube video and I saw this trick for doing this like half up, half down pony. Is if you take your hair and you move it upwards like this, and you leave it down like that, it kind of looks like all your hair like this is just one super long pony, which it kind of makes your hair look longer in a way. I don't know. That's just something I saw. That's why I like to do my ponytail so high, because it gives off that effect of it being like poofy and long. But yeah, this is what it looks like. You can also tease your hair, which I'm not going to do because I have other hairstyles to do. But you can also tease your hair to get that extra like volume. So yeah. Okay guys, so the next hairstyle I'm doing is also going to be a half up, half down hairstyle. And I'm going to be doing two little pigtails right here. And maybe do one as like a braid or something and kind of like mix match it up. So yeah, the first thing you want to do is section off your hair. So I'm just going to grab a little bit right here, like that. And again, like I explained before, oh, hold on, let me let my kitty out. Anyways, you want to put your hair up in two little pigtails. And do the same thing on the other side. So this is what this hairstyle looks like. Also, my camera fell like right before this, and I almost cried and had a breakdown because I thought it broke. But it didn't, so yay. The next hairstyle we are going to be doing, I'm just going to keep these up in pigtails. You can do this hairstyle anyway. But anyways, this hairstyle is called the bubble ponytails or pigtails. All you need to take is your hair and a little rubber band, or you can use regular hair ties like this. But if you are using regular hair ties, I recommend you have your hair is thick enough for that. It's not just like a little pigtail. So the first thing I'm doing is I'm taking this little hair tie and I'm just going just a part of the length down from the top of my hair. The hair tie around right there. And then I'm gonna open this up and make that like big and messy. And now we are going to do this all the way down. Which, not gonna lie, this takes a minute, but it's so cute and so fun to do. Okay guys, this is what the bubble pigtails look like. This is this hairstyle, and on to the next. Okay guys, so for this next hairstyle, I'm leaving my hair in the two pigtails as shown before, and I'm going to be doing two little space buns. This hairstyle is like a combination of like a bunch of hairstyles I've seen. I'm going to be taking on the trend of doing a little braid in your hair, which I have seen all over Pinterest. So I already did one side and now I'm going to do the other side. And we're going to do more fluffier, like bigger buns, and I wanted to show you guys how to do that as well. So the first thing I'm taking is I'm going to be taking this strand, and I'm going to do the same thing is I'm going to wrap it around, but I'm not going to wrap it around as tightly. And I'm going to kind of let it fall over like that. And I kind of like grab the hair and mess with it a little. I then am taking my hair tie and just kind of placing it down and setting some strands in place. And I'm just going to leave it like that because honestly I like how that looks. You guys can keep playing with it and trying to get different outcomes. I know another tactic I use is going like this, taking the hair and folding it back like that. Since I have my hair in tiny pigtails, I don't really have big enough strands. Well, actually, maybe I could do that. So you kind of just want to clump your hair all together. And sometimes I like to take some strands and tuck them underneath the hair tie. They are uneven, but like it doesn't matter because that's the whole point. And now to do the little braid, you just want to take a section out of your hair. And then I usually like to run my fingers through it, so I run like 2 of my fingers through. So that way a section is created for me like this. And I just start braiding them. Another thing that you guys can do is for your buns, you can take a bobby pin and grab a section and just pin that down. That also will create another look, another bun look for you guys. That's also still messy, but a little bit more put together. So that way you don't have like random strands falling out like this. And don't even get too picky with it, y'all. Like, it don't need to be that good. Like, it doesn't need to be perfect. So this is how this hairstyle looks. It kind of reminds me of like going to Disneyland and you already got your ears on. So for the last look, I'm going to be doing a low bun. So I'm going to be taking my 2 pieces of my hair and put them in the front like always, and I'm taking the rest of my hair and okay y'all, my camera freaking cut off, but I'm gonna finish this and I feel like I hope I'm doing a good job at explaining this. I feel like I am, but I don't know, so I might do like more tutorials getting more in depth if you guys want, and if you have questions always DM me or make comments. Gonna make this loose and then gonna wrap this around. I want you to wrap it around a little bit. You want to take your clip and you want to just clip it. So yeah, I'm just gonna put a hair tie here and then I'm gonna clip. I don't know how this looks, guys, but I really try to aim for a cute little clip. Yeah, guys, that was it for this video. So, hope you guys came along on this journey with me and did some really cute hairstyles. Make sure you guys subscribe so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. Now that I have my camera back and I got my life a little bit situated, I am going to start producing more videos out. So yeah, I'm really excited about that. I'm so excited for the vlogs that are going to be coming up. So I'll see you guys next time, I guess. This is goodbye, but not forever. So peace out.